Being the most famous and rich businessman in the world allows you to have the house of your dreams. So why does Elon Musk live in a small house in Boca Chica, Texas? That's right, businessman Elon Musk is staying in a tiny fold-out house in Boca Chica, Texas. Although he seems crazy, strange, and very out of the ordinary, Elon Musk breaks the stereotype of famous and wealthy people and lives in a fairly tiny house, but surely inside it is quite futuristic. As an alternative to a family home or apartment, tiny houses have become increasingly popular. Musk seems to be intrigued by tiny housing units. This house is located very close to the research and testing facilities of his company SpaceX in Boca Chica, Texas. In June, Musk announced on the social network Twitter that he had sold most of his real estate and that the small house of $50,000 it would now be his main home. Musk claims he had finally made up his mind to sell the last home he owned. Musk's decision to sell his mansion is supported by a ProPublica article claiming that American billionaires like Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett barely pay their fair share of taxes and often pay nothing. Research revealed that America's wealthiest executives only paid a fraction of their wealth and taxes as their combined net worth increased. On June 9th, a few days after the ProPublica report, Musk posted a tweet saying, "Yeah, I sold all my houses except one in the Bay Area that is rented out for events working on sustainable energy for the Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness being multiplanetary life with SpaceX, also mitigating risks with Neuralink and fixing traffic with boring." A few months ago, Musk declared that his primary residence is a $50,000 house at Starbase that SpaceX rents to him, but it's doing pretty well. Based on his history, it appears that Musk will be able to establish Starbase. However, the rest of the world is unaware of his ideal paradise. The inhabitants of Boca Chica, a rural town in the extreme south of Texas, enjoyed a life until Elon Musk founded the company SpaceX there. He had been obsessed with Boca Chica for a year. At first, Musk declared his plans to sell his residence, and most Tesla creator Elon Musk paid no federal income taxes in 2018, instead putting two of his California residences on the market within days. According to a ProPublica study, Musk may not need a home on Earth for long, in which case he has multiplanetary aspirations, including sending people to Mars by 2026. Like any billionaire, you would think that Elon Musk would live in a giant, magnificent, and expensive house. However, he decided to sell all his mansions and settle in a strange little bungalow. The designer of this house must be extremely skilled, both to accommodate Musk's demands and to make the businessman want to live there. Can you imagine the interior of this $50,000 house? We are eager to meet her. If you like this video, do not forget to leave your like and subscribe to our channel. Those in charge of designing this property was the American company Boxable, specialized in construction technology and easy-to-build housing modules. The sale of Boxable in the residence could cost up to $50,000. This price does not include the costs of gardening permits or the connection of public services, such as electricity, water, and other services. Still, it's not like Musk doesn't have the money to pay for that. The idea of this type of house emerged as a huge opportunity for the transition of the construction of buildings around the world towards the factory assembly line. Like any other everyday product, Tiramani, its director, told Insider, Boxable houses are not exactly luxurious due to their design. Sometimes they can look simple, but the owners customize them to their taste and appearance. The Houston Chronicle has given some clues as to what Musk's Boxable housing unit is expected to be like. In November, the Boxable company released a video from inside the house in which they indicated that they had recently built that property for a celebrity of high profile and top secret in Boca Chica, Texas. However, even though the company didn't name anyone, Boca Chica isn't exactly packed with celebrities. Least of all, they have a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket poster on their front door. Days after that video, Musk confessed that this would be his new home, a house built to measure in the factory to fold into a conventional shipping container. It is built with steel and expanded polystyrene foam. This mixture is the result of years of creation of prototypes to find non-biodegradable materials. The walls, floors, and ceilings are constructed of laminated panels, making it a strong home to withstand hurricane winds, mold, floods, and even snow. Delivery and unpacking are included in the $50,000 price, while land permits and other requirements incur additional costs. Plumbing, electricity, heating, and cooling are pre-installed and ready for connection to the residence. This home offers a full-size kitchen with fridge, dishwasher, and countertop. Despite its compact size, it has a dining area that is built into the countertops that run the length of the room. Cabinets run the length of the walls and is what allows storage. Although the kitchen can only accommodate one person at a time, it has enough space to keep a well-stocked pantry. It has a sliding glass door in the bathroom to save space while remaining convenient and compact. That bathroom is plenty of cower space. The shower has a sliding glass door, a lighted mirror on top of the vanity, and just outside the bathroom is the laundry area with washer and dryer. The main space of the living room is completely open. This is undoubtedly one of the most striking advantages of these houses. The bedroom and living room are separated by a built-in divider and TV. It is also fully equipped and can be configured as a studio with 375 square feet of living space, a 10-foot ceiling, and plenty of windows and doors. This house could be a perfect option for a single person or a couple. According to Boxable, the house is totally efficient from an energy point of view since it is built with insulation technology and uses LED lighting. This increases comfort and savings for tenants. These homes are built to survive with a snow-bearing capacity for 90% of North America and the ability to be retrofitted to withstand snow in the remaining 10%. Another of the striking advantages is that they consume less energy and take up less space than traditional houses with a lower environmental impact. And as we already know, one of the great aspirations of businessman Elon Musk is to have a greener planet and make life on planet Earth much more sustainable. Depending on your location and the complexity of your property, the cost of housing can range from $5,000 to $50,000. Currently, 47,000 people are on the waiting list to add.
You